Alright, we are live on YouTube, man. Stream on YouTube now. Yeah, Stu Squared. I stream on both Twitch and YouTube at the same time. But I'll start my Twitch stream first, and then I set the YouTube thing up. But now we are live on both of them. And I guess today I'm going to be doing web dev. No leak code junk, none of that thing. No advent of code. Strictly working on my website, midnightsimon.com. And what am I going to be doing? Well, I launched my website on Friday. Was it last Friday? A couple of Fridays. I don't even remember. I launched it sometime, and there's a few bugs I had to fix. There's some things that aren't working correctly. And my type racer leaderboard looks a bit ugly, so I'm going to style it today. Why did type racer audio not work? Yeah, you're right. I didn't hear it. Where's my audio at? Can you guys hear that? Can I hear it? Oh, you couldn't hear the window chimes? Hold on. I can't hear them, man. What the hell? I guess I can hear it, but it's so low. Let me try again. Alright, whatever. It will work. Alright, type racer first, and then web dev. Man, don't defense. Good thing Stu Squared is here. I think Stu Squared can type pretty fast, but we'll see. I hope he can type fast, Stu Squared. And Save It here is also here, so at least we have some competition. So first thing we're gonna do is a type racer. And did I go live on YouTube? Yeah, I did. There's type racer, and hold up. I gotta send it to the Discord as well. To the Discord. Alright, it's type racer time. You already know first race is the warm-up round, second race is the championship round. Dang, warm-up round is real serious. Here we go, man. Man, long ass passage. Don't defense with the 110 on the long passage. Q Ultimus, what's happened? What are y'all talking about, man? Max vector size. What are you talking, man? Alright, here we go. That was just the warm-up race. This is the championship round. Wait, you versus Q 1 minute? No, no bets, no bets. Maybe later on we can do a bet. Oh, awesome guy from YouTube. What's happening? How you doing? Wait, do 28 287, man. I'm not doing any leak code today, man. My bad. All right, here we go. Championship race, type racer. Jesus, this is a short passage. We're probably gonna get some real high scores up in here, man. All right, you guys ready? Whew. All right, I'm ready. Man, I made so many typos. Save it here with the 133. Don't defense 119. Q99. Smart Coder 87. Stew Squared 83. Clistar 68. I tripped. Yeah, I messed up a lot too, man. Wait, how much was that? I forgot. Save it here with the 133 miles per hour. M13 from YouTube. How are you doing, man? I went to your website and was wondering what your vision was. Is it for educational? I don't really have a great vision. So this is my website. I think it's just playing around with front end because I haven't done any real front end in a long time. And even when I did it a long time ago, I wasn't very good. So I'm just trying new things out. I want my website to at least show all the supporters that come to the stream and donate bits and subs and all that junk, to have them immortalized on the website. Another thing I'd like to do is the leaderboards. Dang, who the hell is this? Zero. I didn't put that there. Did I put that there? Anyways. Where'd that come from? Yeah, I want to record like fastest typers for all the type races that we do, and eventually other leaderboards like leak code leaderboards and stuff. Somebody hacked the website? Oh no. Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna change the name of my website today for sure. Yeah, also I'd probably like to get some nice articles or study material on my algorithm topics page. So the website is just gonna be a bunch of random things that I like. And it's just gonna be something for me to work on stream as well. It's not too serious, man. Bug report, you're not on the subs list? Man, you must be. That's crazy. Where'd you go? Stew Squared. I am embarrassed. We're gonna have to check this data. My script removes people. No, there's a few. I've encountered a few bugs. But you're on my original website. I'm gonna have to try and get my data correct, Stew. Because for sure you're here. I wonder if it's like because you have a mismatching diamond right there. I messed up your name once. But that should have been from 2022. And oh look, you're right here, man. What are you talking about? How come I didn't find you? Look, 2022 right here. And you got a free diamond because I don't think you're supposed to get one of those diamonds. So, alright. Where do we begin? Oh, Brian Hernandez. What's happened from YouTube? From Mexico. How are you doing? Welcome to the party. Q, yours. Yeah, there's. Alright. Some stars aren't correct. Like the people that have the red stars aren't correct. I gotta fix them. Quang Bui, welcome to the party, man. It means since that year. Wait, what do you mean? No, these are just the things that I put on my website when I'm streaming live and somebody subscribes. This isn't like hooked up to the Twitch API or anything like that. It's only when I see the notification live on stream, then I put somebody's star. Wait, oh no, JCast19 says, hold up. Did Don't Defense give me a bootleg script? Wait, JCast19, aren't you? You're not even on here, man. You're not on my old website. What are you talking about? Get out of here, man. You can't trick your way on the website, you know. You gotta pay to win. Your script, yeah, Don't Defense. Your script is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Save it here. What's happening? How long ago was it when you wrote down names of people who follow you on a whiteboard behind you? Man, hold on. Save it here. Have you been around since those times? That was like 3 years ago. I used to write names on my board, like physical. Yes. So save it here. You must be the type racer. There was a mysterious type racer back in those days from Singapore who never revealed themselves in chat. Like we never knew who the hell Singapore was. But every time we did type racer, somebody from Singapore would put up like 130 miles per hour. That must be you, man. Interesting. That was you? No, Smart Coder, you can't type that fast. Come on now. Wait, I'm playing lo-fi? I ain't playing no lo-fi, man. I don't play music. Stu Squared, are you talking to me? Am I playing music? No way. Alright, anyways. So, alright, let's get to the first thing. I also need to fix the dang LeetCode streamers part 2. That's messed up. First things first, let's try and make this page look somewhat decent. How are we gonna do that, man? I feel like it's been a long time since I messed with this stuff. So here's my type racer page. 1969, yeah, I don't know where the hell those came from, but I guess they're gonna stay there for now. Can you do topics with resource materials? Yeah, one day, man. I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now. So I think for me to do the topics with resource materials, I might have to prepare some things before I start streaming. Or maybe I'll do a special stream where the whole day we're just going to gather up like problems and stuff for each dang topic, and then maybe put some I'll put up some of my basic templates, and maybe if people also want to contribute their templates, I can put something up there. But one thing at a time. There's so many things I want to do for this website, man. Yeah, somebody hacked my website, huh? Because it wasn't there last time, man. Can you add upvotes and downvotes? Wait, Don't Defense. These aren't really ranked, but what do you mean? You mean like you don't believe some of these should be in regular algorithms? Where's line sweep? Line sweep is right here. These aren't, I haven't given it much thought. I remember I did this over the summer. We just kind of plops down a bunch of algorithms. Think some epics shouldn't be epic. But alright, this is not for competitive programming. This is like leet code type stuff. So I think, you know, if you gotta do a problem on leet code and you need some KMP or rolling hash, it's probably like a really hard problem for regular people. Fenwick tree should be higher. Alright. How is Belmont Ford is magical because I have never used Belmont Ford, man. I don't even know what the hell it is. Dijkstra is so common. That's why it's regular algorithms. It's not about how powerful or cool it is. It's like how often it probably shows up and stuff. But yeah, we can talk about these topics whenever we're working on them. I think I'm very much open to suggestions to modify this, you know. But yeah, I think those are some decent points. Anything like rare and above, man, it's like things that I'm not very familiar with, that's for sure. KMP should be a void list. Well, alright. I'll think about that. Alright, y'all ready? We've been stalling long enough. Let's work on this dang thing. I don't remember how to do anything. So first let me get everything running. Time for leak code? No, man, we ain't doing no leak code right now. I might not even do any leak code for the rest of the year, which is only like 3 weeks. But who are you rooting for in the Chess World Championship? I don't watch chess, man. Daily challenge? If I remember. Take that bet. Man, what you talking about? Yeah, I'm gonna try and get Guardian for sure, but I'm busy for the rest of the year. I got a lot of things to do. I got my brother is coming to visit, so I'm not gonna be like leak coding during that time. Maybe one off. Man, you guys trying to bully me into leak code? A bunch of leak code bullies in here. Jesus. Hold up. My website doesn't work. Oh, this is empty. Hold on, man. I think I gotta delete this. Alright, let me try that again. What's on the agenda today? I'm styling out my leaderboards page. This page. I'm gonna make this thing look a little bit nicer. Leak code, man. JCast. We're not doing any leak code out here, man. Alright, here we go. This is the page right now, locally. Oh, shit. That's where it's from, maybe. Maybe I put in... Anyways. This page. Need some ideas. Alright, first let me sort the thing by date. That's one thing that's really bugging me. So easy task to begin with, right? All right, let me open it up. I think here it is, and display stats. What is that? Oh, all champs. That's what we need to do. All right, how can we do this? How do you sort, man? Maybe maybe we gotta be like, can I do that? Just put it into, like, this should be an array of these things, and then I just want to sort the array based on like the dates. Hold on, I need types in my thing, man. I don't know how to do any of this. Like, I don't even know. All right, type racer data. It's already an array, so I guess I can just sort my racers before I display them, huh? I don't need all of that map stuff. But I'll put it there. How do you sort in TypeScript, man? AKSR, what's happening? A Google recruiter reached out. Oh, that's exciting news. Any tips? Yeah, talk to them and schedule an interview. I don't know. I think you're good enough to pass an interview, man. So you just gotta schedule it. Yeah, ghost them. How to sort an array in TypeScript. Okay. How did I do that? How did I do it? You pass in some lambda. All right. Like that. So what types are these? This should be of type racer, right? Do I have to put the types in, man? It's too much work. But I should probably do it. You should get Copilot on VS Code. I can just tell Copilot to do whatever I want. I haven't really used it. This is what happens when you stop LeetCode. Yeah, right. Alright, maybe I should get my types in here. So, how do we do that? Where do I have my types? Types. Type racer. Types. I'm gonna move this thing over here. Type racer. Is that how you do it? Norwegian Oiler. How you doing? M13. I might have asked this before, but you think you'd be interested in playing like a 1v1 LeetCode thing with MMR? What is MMR, man? Alright, how do I import that type? Is that how you import things? Where do I define that, man? I don't define it, do I? MMR's like matchmaking rank. Yeah, is there something to do that, M13? Man, I'm so bad at web dev. Like, why is this tripping? Oh, I see. I see why. I'm gonna just name it to Type Racer Champ. Or Typing Champ. Type Racer Champ for now. Alright, I think, alright, now my type should be somewhat working. Let me see if it works here. Yeah, so now I can import these types in my champions leaderboard thing. And I can specify what the hell this is, yeah? How does this work? Anyways, Melg1, how you doing? Your shirt just taught me something, thanks. Oh, snap. Yes, yes. I'm a firm believer that you should be using RC for row and column when iterating through a 2D matrix. Alright, is this how you sort? Like that? It's like some weird minus thing going on. I'm gonna try that. Alright, let's see. So this should now... Oh, so it's sorted by the oldest first, but we want it reverse sorted. Yeah. Yatta Fever. Welcome to the party. So how do we reverse sort? I guess we can just put the opposite here. So all the oldest dates will come first. There we go. Alright, what's next? What's next? Let's try and make this look good. Oh, let's change the dang remix thing at the top. New remix app. Where do we do that from? I guess right here. Welcome to my website. Enjoy your stay. All right. Alright, that's changed. What's next on the list, man? Now, let me try and style the table. This dang thing. So right now it's just a bunch of P tag things. But maybe we should try and use like a real table with columns and stuff. How do we do that, man? Should we just use ChatGPT? Make me a HTML table that shows a leaderboard with username, dates, WPMs, what else is in there, and whatever, mode, commentary. Dang, they even style it for me. Alright, ChatGPT knows what's up, I guess. Should I just use this table? So we got the head. Oh yeah, that's what we need, right? Put these in there, and we got a TR for a table row. Or wait. So we got the head. How's it work? T head. Oh, M13 from YouTube, my bad. I just missed their message. I just did the search 2D matrix for the first time and I hated it. Made me feel like I didn't know the formula pivot divided by index for row and pivot mod n for columns. It's near impossible. Yeah, well, now you know it, man. All it takes is the first time to encounter something that you don't know. Spend some time struggling on it and then figuring out the formula or the trick or whatever. And then hopefully you never forget, you know. Or at least now you know it's possible, and maybe later on you might not remember exactly what the formula is, but you'll be able to derive it, you know, I think. Alright. Table head, table row, and then TH. I don't know what TH stands for, but I'm gonna put it in there anyways. So what's first? I guess we can put the username first, or the date, then the username, and then WPMs. Let's just keep it simple for now. And now we put the T body, and then I'm gonna map these to, instead of a P, I'm gonna use a TR. And I guess instead of doing format like that, I'm gonna copy these. So that means I put the date like so. I'll put my username, and I put my WPM.
Go away at
Pixel Pusher. What's happening, man? Thank you very much for that subscription. Hold on. I'm about to put your name up on the website. On the new website. The new bootleg website. Here we go. Alright, so there's Pixel Pusher. 2 stars. And where do we go from here? Clistar, thank you very much. I'll do you next. Alright, so Pixel Pusher. A sub. 1 sub. Let's see if it works. Oh, it didn't work, man. What kind of bootleg website is this? It was working, I swear. Oh, wait. I think I changed my password. Hold on. I'm gonna get it to work. Give me a second, man. No peeking. Oh yeah, I see. I did change my password. Alright, let's try that again, man. Alright, Pixel Pusher with 2 stars. And what the hell is this, man? Get out of here. Somebody said go away ads. Alright. Got my real password in there now. Wait, did that work? Dang, it still doesn't work, man. I fixed it, man. Look, Hector, I fixed Hector HSC and then Zombie Chow and Versazoid from yesterday. And everything was fine, man. But now everything's not fine. Should we try one more time? I got a lot of work to do on this website. All right, here we go. One more time. If this doesn't work... Oh, look, it worked that time. What the heck is going on here? Maybe I had like an extra space or something. All right, thank you very much, Pixel Pusher and Clistar. Thank you very much for the sub. Wait, I didn't even check how much it was at and how much it should be, but hopefully that's right. And Techie64, thank you so much. Let me add you up on there too. Techie64, did it work? Man, it didn't work. Oh wait, I typed it in wrong. It's there, but you got 0 stars. What the hell, man? All right, we got some big bugs. These are all, maybe I should have tested it a little bit more. Looks like I didn't put in any amount, so this is so janky. All right, there we go. Techie64, thank you so much. Gusta Peep, how you doing? Can you tell me how to be a good web developer? Man, I cannot. I don't really know how to do web dev. Coding Garden Fan. What are we doing today? I'm just working on my personal website. Yeah, maybe I should have that today thing so that I can type it out. I'm new to web dev, and especially web dev streaming, so I don't really know how to make things nice. All right, what am I doing now? Oh, Yatta Fever, thank you very much. So I'm gonna give you 2 diamonds. Let me see if that works. All right, everything is in lowercase. So bits, 2 bits. Did it work? Oh, it worked. Look at that. Thank you so much. What do you host the website on? I don't know anything about web dev, but it sounds cool. I'm hosting it on a dedicated server. Teddy Codes, welcome to the party. What's your typical job? I knew you were doing some algorithms a while back. Yeah, I was doing algorithms on Monday. I usually do leak code. My typical job, I work at Google. I work on infrastructure. So I'm far away from web dev things at work. I do C++ mainly. All right, now let us go back to styling the thing. Oh look, it's already styled out a little bit at least. Let's try and fix it up a little bit more because, all right, we can take that out. Let's see. And all right. Interesting. So I might want to maybe we can take out fastest wins and then we can just click on the WPM to sort this by WPMs instead. Let me try that. But how do we do that, man? Let me think. Since this is a prop that's being passed on, do I have to have my sorting functions? Maybe I shouldn't even copy this to this thing right here. And I should just sort in the parent function, perhaps. Drifted Daydreams from YouTube. How are you doing? Welcome to the party. Tyrant Space Cadet. What's happening? Google just came out with something called Willow. Yeah, I read about that the same time you guys did. I don't know anything about microchips, processors and stuff. Quantum chips, yeah. Who knows what those things are, man. Alright, so I'm going to change some things up because I don't think whatever I have is ideal. Maybe I'll just sort the thing right here initially on the loader, right? Let's see if that still works. And then we don't need to copy this anymore. We can just hit that like that. How can I define? Do I have to do like props or something? Like this? Does that work? Who knows? Let me see. Is Arik still streaming? I haven't seen Arik stream in a long time. Alright, so it's still sorting. That looks decent to me. Which keyboard do I use? I got a keyboard command, but it's a Bubble 75 with Aqua King switches. Alexis Gonzalez from YouTube, how are you doing? Hey Simon, dumb question, but do you upload your streams somewhere for people that can't watch it live? Yeah, so all my streams that you're watching on YouTube, they should be on my channel page. Like all my previous live streams are there. There should be a ton of them. Maybe I can just pull it up for you. Alright, so this is my channel page. Past live streams. All of them are here. There's a lot, man. 10 months of every live stream I've done on YouTube. But all my old ones from before YouTube, those you can't watch because YouTube gets rid of them after like 60 days. But I have most of those on my hard drive. Maybe one day I'll upload them. I have my streams from 2021 when I first started to stream. One day I'll probably upload them. All right. I'm gonna get rid of this part for now. Thoughts on splits, like split keyboards? I've never really tried one. I think you said YouTube gets rid of them, but it meant Twitch. Yeah. If I said that, I meant Twitch gets rid of my VODs after 60 days. Have I tried to solve problems on Project Euler? Nah, I haven't. But I've heard about Project Euler. Land of the Elite, how are you doing? Wait, do you think doing leak code help you to be a good developer? Yeah, it most certainly has. Before I started doing any leak code, I was very ignorant in, I guess, like computer science. I didn't know much about anything, man. And leak code kind of just exposed me to all these things that I should know. Data structures and algorithms, like even not even just learning specific algorithms, but just thinking about time complexity and efficiency has, you know, been wonders for my career. Whatevers, how are you doing? Welcome to the party. Quick question, do you worry about accidentally sharing something you don't want? For example, passwords when you stream. Thinking about streaming my coding, but I'm worried I might accidentally share something I don't want. Yes, I don't really worry about it, but I try and be cautious when I'm streaming. I've doxed myself a few times before, but you know, I feel like it's not that bad, especially when you're just starting out. Chances are slim that anything terrible is gonna happen from that. But so these days I have my own dedicated streaming computer, but it used to be on a personal computer, so there's still like traces of personal info on it that might pop up sometimes. But I think the best way is to just have a completely separate environment. Oh yeah, and then every time I go on Google Maps, it will leak my address or something. So I've done that a few times. Now I'm careful not to do, like, go on Google Maps. Are you aware of design patterns? Jordan Paul KS. Yeah, I am aware of design patterns, but I haven't learned those by doing leak code mostly. I think I learned those on the job. All right, here we go. What are we gonna do? I want to make a function that's gonna sort by WPMs. I also want to have something hover and highlight like which row we're on and stuff. All right, let's do one thing at a time. So let me make that sort on WPMs function. I guess it should be in the type racer index. Let's make this function somewhere called sort. What should it be? Sort by WPMs. Sort champs by WPM. And how do we do that, man? I'm just trying to like kind of sort this thing. Let's should I just ask ChatGPT? Make a function to sort an array in React. The array is a part of the states. I don't know if there's like some special stuff you gotta do. Oh, we gotta hit the set scores. All right, here we go. This is what we want. Simon Lally from YouTube. How are you doing? All right, this looks like what I need. So I'm just copying it, and here's, I'll paste it here. But what I really want to do is just say sorted champs what is this? Racers dot sort, and then left hand side, right hand side, and we want the highest racers first. So like that, yeah. Are we done? And then we gotta set wait, that's loader data. Wait. I don't know how to do this. Hold on, let me think. The way you use ChatGPT make me think I'll be a great web dev. Yeah, I don't know. It helps, I guess. Claude does code way better, but there's a limit on the best model they have. Like 20 messages in, and I have to wait an hour. All right, maybe I'll try it out one day. All right, I gotta tell ChatGPT something else. Maybe I should just not ask ChatGPT. And look in the docs, you know? Because, all right. So we get the loader thing. Oh, I see. So we have to, we gotta do some junk like this. I see what they're saying though. Here we go. Wait, what is this? Oh, that's when we click. So here, what am I trying to do, man? Pass that down instead. I guess this can stay the same. Or maybe I should just use everything. I want sorted champs here. All right. I think that should do it. And I can delete this ChatGPT junk. All right, let's, oh, wait. So we have to drill this function down into this thing. Let me do that here. So that's in the all champs. I'm gonna say sort like that, I think. So now in this thing, I'll be able to just call that function when we click on this WPM. I don't know how to do that. Maybe like on click. Can I do that? Props dot, yeah, let me see. So now when we click on this, oh yeah, look at that. But now, all right, when we click it the first time, it only sorts, but we want to click it again to sort reverse. How do we do that? I mean, I know how to do it, but is it too much state? Yeah, you need sort ascending or descending in state. Yeah, is there an easier way to do that though? Do you need the function? I could just use sort. Clicking it again should do BOGO sort. All right, let me introduce some more state here. So maybe is WPM I don't know. Should we do an enum WPM state? WPM sort state. I don't know. Ascending, descending. How do you do it? Like that? And then unspecified. Or maybe that should be unspecified first. One click sort, one click reverse. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I guess if the first user is the highest WPM, then you know you have to reverse the order. That's not always going to be true though. I'll just introduce this state here. So WPM, I'll just call it WPM sort state. Is that a good word? Wait, is this... Oh, shit. Should I just call this enum? It's not a boolean. And initially it's unspecified. I don't know why we need unspecified, but I'm gonna just put it there. And then now, I guess when we hit this sort button, maybe we gotta check now, like if it's unspecified or no, if it's sorted in ascending, then we want to, what do we want to do? No, if it's, wait. Let me think, man. If it's sorted in descending, that's like highest first. Then we want to do ascending, yeah? And that's, I think, otherwise, maybe like that. And can I set states here in this lambda? Does it work like that, man? Can I just like call set WPM sort state ascending? Let's find out. Oh, look at that. It's working real good. It's working too good, man. All right, what's next? Should we do the same thing for the dates? Yeah, I'm a web dev now. Yeah, look at that. The slowest type racer champ we got is Don't Defense with 60 WPMs. And dang, Pixel Pusher is... Oh, maybe I want some numbers there, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was a death mode? Well, we don't know that yet. Alright, let me adjust some things. Hold up. What is happening? Let me adjust. What am I trying to do, man? I forget what I'm trying to do. Oh yeah, I was trying to introduce a new column. Maybe like position or number. And here, I'm gonna put it in, and it's just gonna be I plus 1. Alright, let's see how that looks. DevRay, how are you doing? Alright, so we can sort those things, and the number changes. And then maybe, alright, let's do one for dates as well. So that means we have to make a date state. Oh, so maybe this enum doesn't need to be called WPM sort state. Maybe this could just be sort state. Because then we can use this for the other types of sorting. Bobby Blue in the house. No leak code today? Yeah, man. Leak code's junk. Nobody likes leak code, man. Waste of time, they say. There's probably an NPM library that has this functionality. There probably is. But where's the joy in that for now? I'm still also trying to like learn how to do React things. Alright, so my sorting is working. Let me make the date stuff. So you guys think I'm wasting my time doing this? Maybe there's a better way actually than creating all these functions. Maybe I should make like one function and you pass in anyways, I'll just do it for now like this. Yeah, I'm sure we can refactor this at some point, but we don't want to prematurely optimize here, right? We just want to do what we do. Het Tennis. Thank you very much for that raid. How are you doing, man? What's poppin'? I'm doing web dev today. Something I don't normally do, but I will be normally doing from here on out, probably. Alright, so what are we trying to do? We're trying to pass that down as well. Yeah, how are you doing, man? What's been poppin', Het Tennis? Alright, let's see if that function works. Sort champs by date. And we want this on the dates. So on click. What's the syntax? So much Dissertation work that my eyes are bleeding. Super busy. Yeah, that sounds busy. I don't know what type of work that is. Sounds academic. All right, let's see if this date thing works. Oh, the date thing works. Look at it. The very first Type Racer champion was Nacho Fries Bel Grande. Second Type Racer champion, Sendao. Then Zapak? That's crazy. Doctorate. Oh, snap. Wait, I thought you already had a PhD. Are you getting like another PhD? Or what? Or are you... I don't know anything about PhDs, man. First one. Well, congrats. Maybe. I don't know if you're about to finish or what. Maybe you got years left. I don't know, man. Mad Flash 19, how are you doing? All right, what's next for us? Should we sort by username? I guess, right? LeetCode leaderboard, yeah, that's coming soon too. Everything is coming soon. I want to move these things. I guess we can take out highest WPMs and fastest wins. Oh, no. Highest WPMs I'll rename to highest average win WPMs. Alright, so we can take out fastest wins. Let me do that right now. Right there. No longer necessary. Coming soon in browsers near you. That's right, man. Wait, fastest wins. Garbage. Highest WPMs. Highest average WPMs. Most wins, and then all the champs. But I want to make this look a little bit nicer. Alright, so what's next? Oh, I said I wanted to do like some mouse overing highlights. The new site is missing the old TV buzzing CSS. It's on the front page a little bit. It's right there. But yeah, I'm worried that that static might be giving people some bad reactions if they're, I don't know, their eyes can't handle it. Alright, let me try and do the mouse over hover thing. Tailwind, hover, change color. Let's try it. So, where do we want to put these things on? I want to put them on the whole row. How do you do that? Style equal something. No. Wait, how do I do... Man, how do I do it? Class name. Not style. Come on now. Let's see how this looks. It's gonna look ugly, but I just want to see it work. Oh, that's my real website. Oh, it doesn't look too ugly. I'll keep it for now. Or maybe I want to make this username column a little bit wider. How do I do that? This? Should I use double quotes? That cash money out here. What does W16 look like? Tailwind width. I think the table should be full screen width. Or like the table. Oops. How do you do that? I gotta Google everything. Max W. Let's just see what's up with max screen large. Did that do anything, man? Doesn't feel like it did anything. Maybe this div? Alright, so that div is definitely large. What's a nice red? Nice dark red. Alright. Let's see where this thing is. Where are my teeth? Welcome to the party. How am I? I'm doing alright. Working on my website here. So how come this thing is so small? Why do you don't browser sync? I'm not sure what that means. And welcome. What's browser sync? I'm trying to figure out why my table isn't growing bigger. Maybe the body needs to be a certain size. Should I just ask ChatGPT? Style a HTML table with tailwinds. Table auto? What the hell is that? Automatically size the columns. Try changing the font size? Maybe. Hold on. Min width full. Or min... Did I hit them with that? Maybe. Trey Brown, how you doing? Am I using Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm using ChatGPT to help me with this. All right. Making some progress, but I think that's too big, man. So why RC rather than IJXY? Man, when you're is racing through a 2D grid and you use XY, it's very confusing because the X and Y in a Cartesian coordinate is the opposite of what it means in a 2D grid. So especially when you're trying to debug or something like that, it's so easy to get confused which one is X and Y. You're like supposed to swap them. So that's why you shouldn't use XY. And then IJ is okay, but an I looks like a J, and it's so easy to use the wrong variable and not spot that difference. And RC is the best. It's the only correct name. Zombie Chow knows what's up. All right, now I want to have each thing here, like, I want each thing to be as small as possible. Tailwind, make each cell in a table the smallest width for the content. How do I do that, man? Is it like an auto minimum? Ask ChatGPT. All right. How do I make a HTML table cell be the minimum width that holds all the content in it? Minimum width, and then it adjusts, like it grows based on that. Let me see. But I want Tailwind. Dang. So maybe just min width, min W 16 or something. Let me try that. Where's it gonna be? In this thing. Did that do anything? I think so. I don't know, man. Oh, wait. I need this in two places. I need this here, and then maybe like here also, right? No, that's not working. I mean, some of them are smaller for sure. Like this one is really large. Anyways, min W min. Hard to say I'll try it. Thank you. Maybe this is like the minimum or something, man. All right. I don't know Tailwind that well. But these, I just want everything to be kind of small. Oh, this is the whole row. I'm trying to just put this like in the cell. And I'm putting it in the dang row. But still, same results, it seems. Why is it so large? Maybe like... Alright, maybe I can just inspect to see where it's coming from. It's like 96, 95, but I didn't specify that, man. Where is it coming from? Trying random things now, man. What the hell? How do you do this? Maybe this is table auto thing. No. Alright, I'm just trying to resize a dang cell in this table. But it's a lot harder than I thought it would be, man. I'm also not too familiar with any of this stuff. Idea for LeetCode Hard, resize a table cell. Yeah, man. How... So I just hit them with the fixed... Maybe that way I can specify the widths and stuff. But how the hell? Alright. We're making some progress. Maybe that width 28 was just really big. Anyways, how do I make the table wider now? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna move on with my life from here, man. This is the username. Trying to make that one like wider, you know. But the dang thing isn't working. Maybe W100 isn't a thing. What the hell? All right. All right, 96. But man, it looked better when I left it alone and I didn't even try and style it. I'm not gonna lie. I need like expert stylers to come in and fix this up. Cause I'm just doing a bunch of junk. Maybe I should use like... Alright, I want the names to not be centered. I want them to be like aligned differently. How can I do that? Tailwind, text align left. Text left. All right. Maybe I should have this style as a string. Not margin. I want like a padding left. PL? Is that a thing? Alright, now I want like maybe an underline under the titles or something. Let me try that. So in this row, border, all right, let me Google it. Tailwind, border, bottom. Which one? Border B, 4, or whatever. Let me try that. All right. Maybe I can make the username thing a little bit shorter instead. All right, here's what I'm thinking. So since these things need the same style, should I like put them in a string? And then hit them like that. Let me see if it will work. I don't see why it wouldn't work. And then now I wanted to make this a little shorter. So instead of 96, let me try like... Oh, now it doesn't tell me the numbers. Maybe hit them with the 72. All right. What else do we gotta do, man? Is that good enough? Should we move on to something else? Enough styling this dang table. Oh, I want to put the little mouse cursor over on these things when you mouse over them, so that people know that you can click them. Or maybe, I don't know, the little sort icons or something. Do you use TypeScript, JavaScript at work? Absolutely not, man. I don't use this stuff at work at all. Never. I don't touch anything close to JavaScript. I might do some Golang. I might do some Java. I mainly do C++. And maybe sometimes, like once a year, I might do Python at work. But I've never done any JavaScript or TypeScript at work. All right, what should we do next? Oh yeah, I said I wanted to make this thing cursor pointer, maybe? Is that what we need? No, not this one. We need on this one. And this one. Let's see if that works. And I should probably show like a up triangle or a down triangle based on the sort, yeah? Bet Simp, welcome to the party, man. Website's coming along nicely. Yeah, it's getting there real slow though. It's been a real learning process for me. But nothing is live yet. Like all these new changes, I'm gonna push them sometime tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe at the end of the stream I'll push the changes. So what else do we need? Maybe I'll just leave this for now. Alright, something I want to work on, but maybe I gotta do that in another stream, is I want to make my bot, my Twitch bot that's going to be querying for LeetCode streamers to put them up on the website right here. ChatGPT is the best language for a front end. Will the code be open sourced? I'm not too sure about that. Mainly because I don't know why. At work they say I shouldn't be having those types of things, even though I think it's such like low chance of anything happening. It's still against company policies in some ways to have like any open source things. I'd have to go through like some process of asking permission, you know. You should have it so that the live website automatically updates whenever you save a file. Man, that sounds like a lot of work. Add some nice statistics to the right of the table. That's a good idea, actually. Maybe I can move like these stats over here. Like show maybe like the top 10 most wins only. Let me think about that. Maybe we need some. All right, yeah. Let's do that. Let's add like top 10 most wins to the right. How are we gonna do that? Add fire animations. Yeah, we need some fancy graphics out here. Maybe I can bring this banner in, and instead of it will just say type or champions, you know, fastest typers or something like that. Like right there. That would be pretty cool, maybe. We gotta think of all the things we want to do. Oh, I'm getting tired, man. I don't know if I got it in me tonight to do all these things. You could add some images from my Instagram. Yeah, I actually do want to do that. Maybe in like this about me page, I want to put, or you know, things about me. And one of the things about me is I used to take pictures. Maybe some other stuff here. I don't know what to put. Something interesting. Alright, I'm feeling lazy. Definitely lazy right now. But we got some things working at least. Alright, let me add top 10 most wins. How are we gonna do that? Maybe I should repurpose this thing. Maybe I should just remove all of these stuff and put them in these tables so that we don't have to click around. We can just see all the data at once. Yeah, I think I'll do that. So that means I'm gonna delete this junk up here and then just have this, and then I'll put like most wins over here. All right, here we go, here we go. Well, first let me line everything up. So that's my display stats. Maybe I need this in some type of div where half of it, how do you do this, man? Where, nah, I keep typing dive. What is wrong with me? So we put the display stats in that half, and then we put like other junk here. SBoy3444, what's happening? Hi, I want to learn how to program deeply, but I find it so hard to understand it, and I get a lot of imposter syndrome. I want to be able to build out sites alone without a video or falling in tutorial help. Any help? Yes, I think it takes a long time to be able to program deeply, and I'm not sure if many people can program without looking up something, especially in the beginning. Maybe if you've been programming for like 10 years and in the same language for those 10 years, maybe you can program without referencing materials. But I think everyone references materials at some point, man. And but I guess you're saying without watching tutorials. How long have you been programming? And maybe what you need to do is check your expectations, because it's not like you're gonna be that good in a few months. It takes a long time to get good at programming, to learn how to program deeply, you know. So I'd say big thing is consistency, to keep on going. You gotta study every day or practice every day, or maybe not every day, but frequently. You shouldn't take like months off without doing anything. I've been dabbling here and there for years, still a beginner. Alright, sounds like you have a consistency problem. Ved Pull, how are you doing? Welcome to the party. All right, what's next? What I was trying, I was trying to make this maybe a 50-50 thing. All right, let me see if I remember how to do any tailwind. We want this to be like flex. Do I just type flex? Which direction? Flex row? I'll put this one first just because I want to see if it's working. No. So maybe a flex call? I don't know. Flex row. Oh yeah, there we go. But now I also want it to be like max W full, perhaps? No. Alright, I want each div to take up half the screen, you know? So maybe oh shit. That's not what I want. Maybe I should give this a specific width. Yeah, I can work with that. Or W half. Oh, nice, nice. Thank you. That is what I want, actually. Alright, let me swap them back now. No. I messed up somewhere. Alright, let me display top 10 type racers. And most wins, I guess. So now this is my winners thing. I only want maybe the top 10. How can I only go through? Can I do that? Or just return? What are they talking about, man? Oh, that does work. Interesting. But is it correct? Oh no. Now make it responsive. Jesus, so many feature requests, man. That sounds tough to do. But yeah, that is on my list to make things responsive. Alright, let me make these things look nicer. Let's try and make this part be pretty cool. So maybe I'll copy this key. I Grayson equal to 10. Alright, I like that. But I don't know. This feels like a little inefficient, but we don't care about performance here, right? Maybe I feel like maybe I should be like do something like this. Yeah, man, look at all this junk I'm doing. Oh, wait. No, that's good. That's all right. Vim Tim. That's kind of what I'm looking for, I guess. Because I don't know. I don't really know TypeScripts. But, all right. So we want to hit them with the slice. We slice from 0 to 10. Oh, yeah. And then we don't need this junk. And then, well, let me take this out for now just to see it work. Easy work. Thank you very much. So, all right, we got to try and make this look nice. I'm thinking maybe a little square with a person's name. No. This is probably okay, right? I'm gonna just leave it like this. Hop on Figma. I don't know how to use Figma, man. I think maybe I should learn though sometimes. I've tried to do some Figma stuff, but every time I go in there, it's like, Jesus. It feels like it would be easier to just do it with CSS. Sometimes I'm not that fast with CSS, but when I start, like right now I feel super rusty, but once I start doing CSS a lot more, I think I become pretty fast. But right now I don't remember anything, man. So all right, how are we gonna style this thing out, man? All right, maybe I want to hit them with a little style here. Wait, how's class name? Is it flex call, y'all said? Alright, that's the wrong way. Maybe it's flex row. Yeah, that looks alright. Maybe I want to reverse them. And maybe I want to make it smaller, actually. So, have you heard of Flutter before? Yeah, I've heard of it. I don't know anything about it, really. Do people still use that, man? Is there also here? I want this to be a lot smaller. That's too small. Maybe I should use a table. Hold on, let me think here. Put the winners in a bar chart like this. Let me see what you're suggesting. We could do that. Do I roll my own charts or do I use some package to do that for me? I don't want to make all my own stuff, right? No, that can come later for fun. Maybe for now, I'll just leave it basic like this. But yeah, I do want to add some fancy charts like that. So you like adding borders? Wait, where do you want borders at? Everywhere? Like all the lines? Some borders might be good. Or maybe I put a title up here, like most wins. That's good for now. Wait, should I make... yeah, that's alright for now, man. Most wins. Oh wait, one more thing. I want to add I don't know. Let's see. Alright, we need to make that bigger. Instead of 48, what are my choices? Maybe a little 60. And then we hit them with the 24, 24. 48, 12. No. Maybe we can go with a 28. What's 28, 28? We need it to be more. Good enough for now, man. What's next? Should we add the banner? Let me look at the banner. So, where the hell is that thing? Banner. Let me see what I have coded. So we got the children. Hmm. Hmm. Nevo.rocks. This looks fancy. Yeah, I think one day I'd want to add this type of stuff for sure. But I don't want to focus on these things when there's a lot of other features that I'd prefer to work on instead. I don't even know why I'm spending so much time on this styling stuff. But, alright, some things I really want to get working is the Twitch bot that will scan for LeetCode streamers. I should really start working on that. Maybe the next web dev stream I do, I'll work on that exclusively. Something else I'd like to maybe work on user sign up and authentication, so everyone, whoever wants to join the website, they can. And I want to add some features where members can specify their usernames, and maybe I'll change this instead of type racer, I'll just call it leaderboards. And then we have the type racer leaderboard, and we have like a LeetCode leaderboard. What will you do after you log in? Yeah, you'll just register your username. If you've donated, I want you to be able to change the color of your stars. Like somehow do that. I don't know. So if you register and then you've also donated on Twitch or something, you can customize your thing. And what else do I want? Yeah, Pat's whiteboard. Except these are all hard coded. Real Raymond Jones made this, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I want a leaderboard with rating, problem solved, all that type of stuff. But I don't know what else. Eventually, I want my own type racer in-house. One day I'll start working on that too. All of this stuff is going to be leading up to, I think, type racer, type blazer. Who's that? MK lol? Yeah, who's that? They're pretty high up there. Open source your website and let people do it for you. I will one day, man, but not today. Or not right now. What else do I want to do? I want to do a lot. Yeah. Yeah, don't defense. You're going to try and put a backdoor in there? Come on, man. So you can erase Pixel Pusher from the type racer leaderboard. Look. Oh, don't defense is number 9 on most wins in type racer. I think I'm missing. I know I didn't put one of my wins down, so I'm actually at 17. All right, what's next? Yeah, I'm not gonna put that banner thing up here. It's too much work, not important work. Is that it? Should I finish? Something I could probably work on is an API. So I was thinking about this, man. How am I gonna make this dang bot, this Twitch bot, to query Twitch and to update my database? But my database is in like this Dockerized container. So I'm gonna have to make like an API in my Hono thing, or endpoint in this thing. Where is it? This chunk to like update update the streamers thing. And then I have my other bot, the bot that's querying Twitch all the time. So anytime they find somebody online, they just send a post request to this API to update the database. I guess that's what I'd have to do. So maybe I should work on that right now. So I'll need like a post thing. I'll copy this and I'll put it down here by the streamers. And yeah, this one is gonna be post, but it will be streamers. And then I gotta do this stuff. But I don't really feel like doing SQL right now, man. What should I do? Web dev is hard. Feeling tired also. Advent of code, man. Should I talk about Advent of code for a little bit? Man, I tried to do the thing last night. I couldn't think of anything. I had to brute force the dang part 1. And then part 2 came about. It was like, oh no, do it 75 times. Like, nope, my shit's not gonna work. And I just gave up. But I've been thinking about how to do this more efficiently. Like, I really just brute forced it. And I don't know, I think there's some type of pattern maybe with the numbers that you can think of. Need DP? Yeah, I didn't even think of DP. Well, I did, actually. But how fast Smart Code got part 2 versus part 1. Where's Smart Coder at? 1 minute? Dang, how the hell? I guess he just had the right solution from the beginning. Or something, right? Yeah, yesterday was hard. I'm sure today is gonna be hard too, but I don't know. I don't even know if I'm gonna be doing Advent of code anymore. It takes too much effort, man. It's so taxing. Well, Bobby Blue, you said I should do the leak code daily. I don't want to do leak code during a web dev stream, do I? I'll peep. I've already done this. Take gifts from richest pile. Top 4 richest, yeah. Or wait. You are given an integer array gifts denoting the number of gifts in various piles. Every second you do the following. Choose a pile with the maximum number of gifts. If there are more than one pile with the maximum number of gifts, choose any. Leave behind the floor of the square root of the number of gifts in the pile. Take the rest of the gifts. I'm gonna just submit whatever I have. Back to web dev. Alright, back to web dev. Yeah, leak code sucks. It was 18 seconds delta. Wait, day 11? I was looking at day 10. Oh yeah, I was on the wrong day. Oh shit. There you go, man. Oh yeah, I didn't even finish it. Man, how do you do it so fast? Crazy. Icy Black Deep, 10 minutes. Everybody did it so fast, man. Where do you get those stats from? It's an extension called Advent of Code Charts. And highly recommend it. Start off by solving part 2. Yeah, that's probably what most people here did. I guess I should probably figure out how to do that, man. But I'm just low energy lately, man. I don't have the focus for algorithms, I feel. Maybe this is what burnout feels like. How do you know what part 2 is if you haven't done part 1? Yeah, look, just by solving the wrong problem. Alright, should we get back to web dev? Oh, something else I want to fix. This should be 2024, 2023, 2022. But it's all messed up. I don't know why. So let me try and fix that. Where are we gonna fix that stuff at? What was I trying to fix again? Oh yeah, on the index page. The way the thing, I guess that would be on the supporters board. What am I looking at here? Can I just not sort something? Let me see if that works. No. Like, I don't even know what this is. All years of subs dot entries. What does that do, man? Oh, I see. I think. I'm trying to so I want 2024, I want it to be on the left side, all the way left, or first. Let me see what that date's. All data supporters. So I guess it's like a list. Okay, so it's a map. What does entries do? Key value pairs. Okay, so this is my key value, years and sub. Yeah. But then I just want to sort them. But that didn't work. Got too many tabs open. Alright, alright. We gotta figure this out, man. Man, I still don't know where the hell this thing is coming from. I've been looking for this offline and I can't find anything. Do you have the React DevTools extension installed? No, I don't think so. Oh, it's a string. How do you sort strings? Or how can I string to int, parse int? So maybe I can hit them with a parse int. Maybe that might work. No, that does not work. Alright, so here it is. It's a map. Wait, isn't a map already sorted? Oh, hold on. How do you find the key and the value of Jesus. Can I hit them with dot key? Let me see. Maybe convert to a list and sort. Isn't that what isn't this a list right here? Isn't this like putting all of the maps things? Maybe I'm not too certain what this is. Let me take out this sort. Interesting. Can I do that? Dang, I don't know why I shut down the thing and rewrite it. Anyways. Oh, that works. This works. So I gotta do this junk. Like right here. There we go. So that's sorting finally. Alright, what's next, man? We're knocking out all these bugs one by one. Slowly but surely. I don't know what to do next. Maybe that's the end for today. And alright, so I don't know when I'll be streaming next. Maybe I might try and pop one off like Friday, because my brother is coming on Saturday and he's staying with me for about 2 weeks. And I'm not sure if I'll be streaming much during those times. So I might try and get one more stream off on Friday before I take off for the holidays, man. Co-stream with my brother? Nah, I don't know if he'll be interested in that. Maybe. You have a cameraman for 2 weeks. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to use my brother for. To be a cameraman, record some videos for YouTube or something while he's here. Alright, is that the end of the stream? A little 2.5 hour web dev action. We got some things done. So we styled up this dang leaderboard. Oh, I guess last thing maybe is I can just push it. I should like deploy it, right? Let's try and deploy this junk, man. Real quick. I gotta get that. So I also want to write some instructions of how I can deploy this thing. Let me see if I have like how to deploy. We gotta build the image. Wait, I'm in the right thing, yeah? Yeah, dot at the end. Yeah, put the dot. Is that my image name? Oh, you know what? I don't even have Docker running. Hold on. Alright, it's loading up. Loading up the dang Docker stuff. Let's see. Building that image. Oh, I need this command. How to save a tar of the image. It's probably my history, but I don't want to show you my history. or save. Wait, let me just double check. Yes, yes. All right. Where am I right now? Have you set up GitHub Actions? I have not. Man, I forgot the name of my dang thing. There we go. Make a script to automate this. Yes, I should do all of that, man. Maybe I'm gonna save the commands in this thing and then make a script. I'll probably do that offline because there's gonna be some passwords in the scripts, you know. There might be passwords in there. Uh-oh. What is happening? CI/CD incoming? I don't know if that's coming anytime soon. No passwords in scripts? How do you do that? Like, I need my password to upload it to my server. But there's probably other ways where I can, like, I don't know. I know like Docker has something where I can upload the images. I just build the images and upload them, and then on my server it can download those images. I don't know how to do that though. For now I'm like uploading the images like yeah, I have SSH keys, but I gotta like put my password in for my SSH key to use it. I'm not really sure how to do it otherwise, but I'm sure you can. Alright, so I got my two things in. Uh-oh. Oh, I haven't saved this one. Let me run this save file. Make the script prompt you for the password. Yeah. I think I want to do that offline though, so that just in case I leak my password on stream, you know. Tomo Mami, how are you doing, man? Wow, unusual hours, and you are writing actual computer programs. Yeah, these aren't unusual hours though. This is at my regular stream time, but usually I'm doing leak code around this time. But yeah, I'm doing some junk right now for sure. All right, these are my two files I need to upload. Oh shit. All right, let me upload them. Give me a second. Mac OS. I don't use any Mac OS, man. Where do you host a database? It's a SQLite database. So it's just on the same, in the same container as the backend. It's nothing too crazy. Alright, I'm uploading the backend image now. Arik in the house. What's happening, Arik? You have to get a job. Man, you've been unemployed for quite some time. You must be really rich, but maybe now you're running out of money. If I had to guess, maybe you're down to your last 100K or something like that. Your bank account says 102,000 bucks. Nah, you probably at least got $500,000, man. Wait, Arik, are you for real trying to get a job now? You need a referral? You want to work with me, man? What's up? I'm sure anyone here would refer you to wherever they work. If you guys don't know who Arik is, man, Arik is one of the best algorithm people in this chat, for sure. He's a USACO Platinum at only 14 years old. That's who Arik is. Down for a referral? Yeah, let me know. You can hit me up on Discord or something. I code Node.js on the back end. Make 40K. Hope to continue. Tomo Mami. Is that true? You're a Node.js? Oh wait, shit. Alright. I just uploaded my tars, but I forget how to... Alright, let me take down my website real quick. How do I load from a tar? Oh yeah, I see. I see how it is. Hold on. Tar and feathers? I don't even know what tar means, man. Zip tar. I mean, zip makes sense. Like, yeah, you just zip it up. But what the hell does a tar mean? Tape archive? For real? Tape archive. Interesting. TIL. Today I learned. Alright, when I run Docker compose down, Docker compose up. Vicky Second from YouTube. What's happening? Do you mind solving remove duplicates from a linked list without using any secondary storage? Need help with it. Oh man, that sounds tough. All linked list problems sound tough to me, man. But hold on one second. I'm not really doing leak code today. I'm mainly working on my website. Are you guys ready for it? Did it work? Alright. The dates are in order. Yes. The type racers are there. There we go. We just deployed all the updates we did today. And okay, the website no longer says new remix app. It says Midnight Simon now. And everything's working. All the changes we did are now live. And I gotta fix this leak code streamers thing. Oh wait. Oh, the new type racers are also up there. Look at that. Very nice. Wait, didn't we do a type racer earlier? Oh yeah, these are wrong. I gotta get rid of them somehow. Oh, maybe that's something I should I need something where I can just edit the database remotely. That would be sick. But I don't know how to do all that. Anyways, I wonder if those are bringing down the average. My 133 isn't here. Oh, that was from earlier today. Save it here. I forget. Do you get a 133? Yeah, you got a 133 earlier on that really short passage. I don't think I added you. Let me add it now. Let's see if it works. No, we're gonna add it. Save it here. 133 WPMs right now. Look at that. We just added it and it's working. You like that, man? That's sick. Easy work. December 11th. Does that mean should we run a type racer right now? I'll redeem one. I got enough points, man. Alright, it's type racer time. You already know. Now that we got our little type racer board looking somewhat okay, let's run one. I wish I had as many points as me. Man, I got too many points. Alright, first, we're about to run this type racer. First race, warm-up. Second race, championship round. Everybody knows that. Y'all ready? And then after we do this type racer, I'm out of here, man. It's time to boogie. Man, save it here. How'd you get here before I even gave you the link? I guess it's the same link as before. Might as well do advent of code. No, man. I don't want none of that advent of code junk. Alright, first race warm-up. Is the type racer code open source? You mean like legit type racer code? No, I'm not. I don't think so, at least. Start the race. Start the warm-up. Man, that was a terrible warm-up. Dang, save it here with the 133 in the warm-up round. Q with the 103. Guest 125. Who is that guest? Must be Arik or somebody. No, Arik is here. Or maybe Arik just logged in. Midnight Simonson in the house. Who are you, man? Alright, let's go. Championship round. Winner goes up on the new Type Racer board. Are y'all ready? Long passage, yeah. But the words don't look too hard. Oh, shit. I hit the triple digits. Look at that. Arik. 131 miles per hour. Save it here. 130 miles per hour. What a race, man. Arik coming in here taking that championship like it's nothing, man. Easy. Arik is super fast typer. Super good leak coder. And Yusako Platinum Chad at the tender age of 14. And also, Arik can flash V6s, V7s in the bouldering gym like easy work. So I've heard. That's the word on the street, man. Isn't that crazy? Alright, 131 for Arik. Let's put that up there on the board. Wait, that's the wrong. Here we go. Fake news? No, man. Everything I said is pretty real. Arik with 131. Where's Pixel Push at? Yeah, who knows? Maybe he's chilling. He was here earlier, I think, right? Look at that. Arik 131. How many times? Multiple 7-time champion Arik. Alright, what's next? I guess that's the end, man. I'm pretty sure somebody's probably streaming Advent of Code. Man, I got this dang water bottle right there the whole time. Java Grunts. Sorry, I just missed their message. Welcome to the party. This is my Type Racer layout. Site's coming along. Yeah, thank you, Q. It's coming along okay for now. Leaving us to go have a filet and lobster with my homies. No, I don't. First of all, I don't eat shellfish or beef very often anymore because I got cholesterol problems. And second of all, I don't got no homies. Are you gonna play a game after? Maybe. Maybe I might run a game of Hearthstone real quick. I mean, I eat beef. Don't get it twisted, man. I'll eat hamburgers and stuff. But I try to limit myself, maybe like once a week. But I always end up like 2 or 3 times a week anyways, sometimes. But I've been trying to like not go get brisket for lunch or something, or pork and beef and shrimp. You know, I try to just eat chicken and fish. But it's tough, man. Yeah, Q, your top 3 most win. Well, I gotta refactor some things. I gotta change No Condom Chris because I got No Condom Chris on here, but I also got Six Pack Sexy. And they're the same person. So I guess you can just add 10 to No Condom Chris. And that would put No Condom Chris to be the number 2 champ behind Pixel Pusher. Ever eaten kangaroo? No way, man. Well, maybe. I heard Burger King has kangaroo meats in their hamburgers. I don't know if that's true. Was it Burger King or something? Horse meat, kangaroo meat? You don't include that kind of fish? Shellfish? What are you talking about, man? Making some puns? Who is Sendao? Man, Sendao is an OG around here. One of the fastest typers. Sendao is the defender of the Type Racer leaderboard because Sendao will basically always hit triple digits. So that means in order to get on the board, you gotta beat Sendao. And Sendao hopefully will be back one day. I think he's just dealing with real life at the moment. Saw you at Chick-fil-A recently? Man, I don't go to Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A sucks, man. No way you'd catch me there. Alright. Kangaroo is really nice when cooked well. You buy it in the supermarket in Australia. A few years ago, I heard Burger King was either serving kangaroo meat or horse meat in somewhere. Do you prefer In-N-Out or Five Guys? I prefer In-N-Out for the price, but Five Guys for the... If I was a millionaire or something, maybe I'd go to Five Guys. Five Guys got objectively better French fries and burger, but I think Five Guys and In-N-Out, they're not even in the same weight class. In-N-Out is like, wait, let me see. I don't know all the weight classes. Alright, In-N-Out is like a dang flyweight, right? Or a straw weight even. No, In-N-Out is like flyweight. And Five Guys is at least a lightweight. So it's hard to compare In-N-Out to Five Guys, man. They're just different weight classes, but pound for pound, I'd say I prefer In-N-Out. But, you know, Five Guys is objectively better than In-N-Out without the weight classes. That's how I feel about that. What's your favorite food chain? Are we talking about fast food? Alright, my favorite fast food chain, I'd have to say, is right now it's Raising Cane's, man. I really enjoy Raising Cane's. And if you've never had Raising Cane's and there's a Raising Cane's around you, I recommend to check it out. Man, look at those crispy, juicy tenders. The fries are good. The sauce is excellent. You've never heard of Raising Cane's? Q? Come on, man. You gotta check it out. You gotta go find the closest Raising Cane's to you and try it. If you like chicken tenders and you like fries, I don't see why you wouldn't try Raising Cane's. No Raising Cane's around here either. Man, you guys gotta travel to Raising Cane's then. Let's see, locations. It doesn't even. Is it only in America? Do we got any in Europe? No, it only says US things. I'm positive it's gonna go international one day though. The ice is nice too. Yeah, Raising Cane's has that good restaurant ice, man. I have one near me. What's good item to order? Dang, smart coder, you live in the. There's like one in Hayward, I think, in the Bay. There's one coming soon in Chico. Oh shit. Always get the caniac and sub the extra toast for the coleslaw. Tactical anomaly. What's happening? I actually like the coleslaw, man. I don't like to sub the anything. We have something called Broster Kingdom. The heck is that, man? Broster Chicken Newtown. What the hell kind of name is that? Broster Chicken Newtown. American style fried chicken. That's a long ass name. Let me see how American this is. It looks pretty American to me, man. Looks decent. I'd be willing to give this a try. But, you know, alright. So let me tell you. There's Raising Cane's. When I used to go to college, there's a place called... Man, I haven't told you where I went to college. You almost got me. I was gonna name the spot, but no, I'm not. Anyways. There's also... Alright, so some people might know Zaxby's. Zaxby's was alright for a while. So if you like Zaxby's, Raising Cane's is at least twice as good as Zaxby's, I'd say. Zaxby's chicken tenders sometimes they're a bit overcooked, not that great, not that crispy, not that juicy. But Raising Cane's is on point, man. Anyways, so I'm out of here, man. It's time to go. Chick-fil-A is a top fast food? Man, don't defense. Chick-fil-A was a top fast food maybe in 2006 or something. 2005 to 2012, maybe Chick-fil-A was top. But the fast food game has evolved since then, man. If you still like Chick-fil-A, you're living in the past. That's what I think. Chick-fil-A is not that great. Especially since Popeyes came out with their chicken sandwich. What are you doing, man? You still eating Chick-fil-A chicken sandwiches? Those things are sad. But that Polynesian sauce is alright. I'm not gonna lie. In-N-Out and Chick-fil-A have long lines. Yeah, that doesn't mean it's great though. And Chick-fil-A is expensive, man. It's super expensive. Best fast food is Pollo Tropical. I don't know about that either. Pollo Loco. Nah, I don't know anything about that. Can we rate how good a place is by how long the drive-through line is? It is an indicator to how good it is, but it's not always accurate. I haven't tried El Pollo Loco. Which other fast foods are there? I don't know. I'm all about Raising Cane's these days. Anything else? That's it. I gotta go, man. Advent of Code is about to start. I'm not doing it, but let's go raid. Let's go hit Larry up, man.
What happened to me up?
Alright, we're about to hit Larry NY. Larry is doing Advent of Code. I'm sure he's gonna finish in like 1 minute. So stay tuned if you want to see a professional at work. Norwegian Oiler. Adios. Adios, everybody. Midnight Simon's son. I'm not responding. Well, I'm responding now. Have a good night, man. See you next time. Lead Whale. Adios, amigo. Save it here. Have a good night. Don't defense. Enjoy yourself tonight. Smart Coder. Q Ultimus. See you later. Good luck in Advent of Code. Get ready for that. I'm gonna tap out tonight, man. Feeling lazy. Sergeant Pepper. Have a good night. And whoever else. Gims. See you later. I just saw your message about good ice. Good ice means it's like nice and small chunks, so it maximizes the surface area. So that means your drink is gonna be cold as ice in as many places as possible. And yeah, let's go raid. Adios, amigos. Rocky88. See you later. Melts faster. And everyone from YouTube, have a good night.
Ooh, right. Wake up, Larry. Let's go. Let's do this.